In this video, I'm going to show you how I actually start a new online business in less than 1 hour. And so far, I already earned an extra $1,000. And by the way, I invest less than $30. If this is something that you're interested, this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Yana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how did I start a new online business in less than 1 hour by investing less than $30. So let me share with you my screen because there's a couple of things that I want you to see. So first of all, this is something legit. This is not something that it's going to happen overnight. I'm going to show you some proof of my incomes. And remember that there is a possibility that you are going to earn way more money, less more money, or no money at all. It actually depends on you, on your consistency and your work ethic. But this is just to show you guys that this is actually possible. As you can see, here's some proof. I have a $27 payment, $10, $10 here, $100, 27, 27, 10, 10, 29, 27, 100, 248 down here. So this is just one of my wallets. I do have others, but this is for you guys to understand that this is actually possible for those who really want to do it. There are other people who are also earning money here. Oh, someone just posted. Okay. It says level 6. So here, let me put it here to the newest. Okay, here is a success tip. And here you're going to have huge sales drop. Okay, literally 23 minutes ago. Okay, here we have 8 sales in 1 hour, 1 hour ago. Sorry, 8 sales in 1 day, 1 hour ago. Here we have after 100 RBA sales. Okay, just a person that literally just resigned. She is actually sharing with us the information 3 hours ago. $23,000 in sales. Here is a proof, a win-win. First sale, another sale on Friday, new sale. Someone who is really happy because she is actually making 3 figures a day. First sales in a few days. Here we have she got a sale. Okay, so and you can see here there are tons of testimonials that people who are actually earning money with this, and we have so far 56 pages. So this actually works. Okay, how do I set up my business really fast and how you can get started if you want to do it? Well, the product, it's called the Royal Business Academy. The price right now, it's $29. I'm going to be leaving a link below just in case that you want to be perfect. Okay, the Royal Business Academy give you the master results right. So if you want to resell this product, definitely you can do so. And you're going to earn 100% of the commission. But it's not only that. It gives you 400 income generating ideas. It also gives you 20,000 PLR products. Okay, let me go back because I'm actually on the second page. Okay, here we have the roadmap. Here is actually where you get started. If you want to learn more about the MRR or if you want to resell, the product, you can do this. Okay, as I told you, they have these PLR suite with over 20,000 PLR products. So if let's say that you buy this for literally just $1, this is literally $1 per product, so $20,000 in value. There is this bot here, which is the Roy bot. Just in case that you're stuck, you don't know how to do your email marketing, how to create your content. You want to learn how you can actually master Etsy and Pinterest SEO, how to grow your audience in organic and paid and with paid strategies, how to craft a high converting sales funnel. Okay, this is literally what you can do with Roybot and more. This is exclusive for RBA members. So this is still I suggest you guys to get it because trust me, I know there are bots out there that people are paying over $1,000 just to get it, and you have it here. You can actually learn with RBA about online stores. They have online classes, live classes. If you cannot attend the classes for whatever reason, you are going to have the replays here. You're going to learn about customer service, about the business foundation, branding, automation, contracts. You're going to have courses, the PLR. If you want to do faceless, okay, if you want to do faceless marketing, you're going to have everything here. Um, you're going to learn about lead magnets, email marketing, how you can be making money with Etsy, with 10 different ways with Amazon. Right now, I'm earning money with two different ways. And remember, there is a lot of possibilities here. Different businesses, for example, if you want to be a trucking boss, you can learn it here. If you want to learn about investing in crypto, if you want to learn about real estate and you can be a real estate licensed agent, you can do here. If you want to learn about email marketing, about branding deals, if you want to become a licensed life insurance agent, you can learn it here. Okay. If you want to learn about um, print on demand, PR, digital marketing, and they're adding other stuff as well. So trust me, guys, this is actually a great product, not only to promote, but also to learn from it because you have different streams of income. Right now, they do have over 30,000 members. They are doing weekly webinars and sales training. There is no monthly subscription or a hidden fee. Uh, they do have also 50 plus business courses besides the PLR that you can actually sell. Okay. You can actually sell as a PLR. You're going to have the opportunity to sell it on your own price so you can earn money. If you want to learn how to close sales with DMs, you're going to learn how to do that. You're going to have access to the community. There is massive resource value. Okay. So a lot of opportunities here for you if you are looking to start your first online business. And why not? If you are struggling to earn money online, chances are that here you're going to have the missing piece. Maybe that missing piece is just the robot. Maybe it's just that. Okay. Maybe that missing piece is just the robot. So you can learn how to sell and scale your online business. Okay. So if you're ready to learn and if you're ready to give yourself the opportunity, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can join the Royal Business Academy. Remember, at the time recording this video, the price is literally $29. That's it. I know other courses out there that you need to invest $500, $1,000, even $2,000. So this is a great opportunity. Give yourself the opportunity to learn and earn and to have different income streams. And I know there is a lot of opportunities here. Commit with yourself, commit with your success, commit with the fact that you're going to stick with one income stream. Okay. And then you move to the next one. Okay. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you inside of the Royal Business Academy.